Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake vegan. We will explore the delightful world of plant-based cheesecakes, showing you how to achieve that classic creamy texture and rich flavor without any dairy. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into an impressive dessert that everyone will love. We will cover everything from the base ingredients to the final delicious touches. The magic of vegan cheesecake lies in its clever ingredient swaps. Soaked raw cashews are the star, blending into an incredibly creamy base. Full-fat coconut cream brings richness and helps the cheesecake set beautifully. Fresh lemon juice is crucial for that signature tang, while maple syrup or agave nectar provide the perfect amount of sweetness. These ingredients work together to mimic traditional cheesecake perfectly. Crafting your vegan cheesecake begins with the crust. A simple combination of crushed vegan cookies and 2 tablespoons of melted vegan butter forms a delicious base. For the filling, soak 1 1/2 cups of cashews for at least 4 hours, then blend them with the other ingredients until perfectly smooth. Pour this mixture over your crust and chill for a minimum of 6 hours. Patience is key for a firm, sliceable dessert. For the best results, ensure all your filling ingredients are at room temperature before blending. This helps achieve a silky smooth texture. A 9-inch springform pan is ideal for easy removal and a professional look. Don't hesitate to get creative with flavors. Try adding a 1/2 cup of fruit puree or a 1/4 cup of melted vegan chocolate to the filling. Garnish with fresh berries or a delicious sauce for a stunning finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.